Hey guys, happy Friday. Welcome back to another video. Coming back for another video. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. So, yeah, I'm going to show y'all outfit today, but she's not going to wear her hair like this. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Going to get ready to put on my smell goods. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So, this morning I'm going to be wearing Egyptian musk. Can y'all see that? Egyptian musk with Izzy Miyake. I'm gonna wear that. I can't get it on my knees. I mean, behind my knees because I got my pants on already. So I have to always remember that. It's like a little, one of the things you have to remember. If you don't, then I don't know. Then I'm gonna follow up with this translucent one. You guys remember me hauling that from the bins for like $1. Do my little walk into it. How you guys doing today? Today is a beautiful day, y'all. Today is a day of abundance, okay? Oh, God, y'all, he wants us to walk in his light. He wants us to walk in the goodness and the fullness of him. So take some time to reflect and to do that because it's so wonderful. I don't know, just like for me, when I open my eyes, I don't think it's just another day. I believe in my heart that is another day of abundance, to do something great, to do something good for others, you know. Give back. Be a good person. Be a good cheer. Love, all that stuff. But today is a day of abundance. I just wanted to share that with you guys. So, outfit of the day, I have on some white jeans that are cropped at the bottom for like my ankles, and they don't have pockets in the front, but they have pockets in the back. So I'm not fond of that, but I'm wearing them anyway. And then I have on this white top that has like some kind of like crochet here that I really like. I've had this for a few years, and actually, y'all, this top is Victoria's Secret. So yeah. But anyway, let me get done with my hair and then we'll come back. But I just wanted to give you guys an intro and welcome back to another video. Okay? See you in the next clip. Do y'all have y'all's tea, y'all's coffee, y'all's water, your orange juice, whatever it is that you have in the morning? If you do, let's go ahead and drink up. I'm having me, you seen, some organic ginger turmeric herbal tea. It's a real good pick-me-up, guys. Love yourself so that you be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place, okay? So guys, we're going to read from Revelations 22, verse 7. A lot of people, when you say Revelations, they be like, oh gosh, you know, but hey, goes with the territory. So anyway, Jesus is coming. Behold, I am coming soon. Blessed is he, you, them, her, she, girl, boy, don't matter, who keeps the words of the prophecy in this book. This book right here that teaches us how to live right and how to love others, how to eat, how to take care of your family, all those things. He is coming soon. Verse 12, behold, I am coming soon. My reward is with me, and I will give to everyone according to what he has done. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last, the beginning and the end. Blessed are those who wash their robes, and they may have the right to the tree of life, and they may go through the gates into the city. Outside of that are the dogs, those who practice magic witchcraft. Basically what it is, magic arts is witchcraft. The sexual immorality, the murderers, the idolizers, everyone who loves and practices falsehood. So people who are teaching us wrong, murderers, rapists, all that stuff, guys, are going to be outside the gate. Don't you want to go inside the gate? Don't you want to be inside the gate or outside of the gate? You think about that. But right now, all I want to say, y'all, is this true? Every day that we look out the doors, we look, well, if you watch the news, because I don't anymore, Jesus is coming soon. Are you ready? Are you prepared? Are you ready to stop all the foolishness? Because every day that he gives us is another day. It's another chance to get it right. Don't wait until it's all ready to unfold for you to get it right. It's going to be too late. So that's my tea time for you guys. Jesus is coming soon. Get your butt ready, okay? Because I'm getting my butt ready. Are you getting your butt ready? It's not a laughing matter, but I'm serious. I'm getting myself ready. So hopefully you guys are ready. If not, get ready. Be ready. Love you. There's nothing you can do about it. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, let me show y'all really quick. I made some peanut butter cookies yesterday. They look so good. So basically, I'm going to have to go ahead and put them on this thing here, and they're falling apart a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys I made cookies. So guys, I will see you guys later when I return home, and then we can go over some other things that I want to show you guys, some updates. And yeah, I'm going to talk about some plant stuff in this video today. So I'll see you guys when I come back. All right, y'all. It's 6:30. I am back home. I'm tired, okay? I can't wait to lay down. I am not lying. When I get off this camera with y'all, I'm going to fix me something to eat, and I'm going to lay my body down. But anyways, I was telling y'all we were going to do plant stuff. I just want to give you guys an update on plants that I got rid of, because I'm narrowing it down to my favorite plants. But I wanted to throw in, if you're at Lowe's got Meyer's dish soap, the Basil brand, $127. Today was my lucky day. On break, I went to Lowe's and scored that. But anyway, so I had a gentleman, y'all. I love men who love plants. Like, I think it's awesome. But a guy came and bought I don't know if y'all remember those Dracaena ones. They were like, one was like a lemon lime and was a green. So I sold one to one lady, the green one with the gold legs to it. I gave her the foot. She was like, you're giving me both things, the plant and the stand. I was like, yeah. So one guy bought one of these. So this one is for sale, along with the marble. Oh, sorry, y'all. Along with this marble queen. This one is for sale, this long one here. Because I have this one, so I'm okay with that. And then I'm getting into those are good, very, very, very good air purifiers, and they're easy to grow. So this is the snake plant. So I have one here. I have one here, and then I have the one down the hall, and then two. I don't think I showed you this morning, but I'll show you. I have two in the bedroom here. So wait a minute. I have these two on the dresser now instead of those other ones. So I'm going to keep those, keeping this one. I'm just keeping my absolute favorites. So I'll be keeping this one, this the philodendron split leaf. That's my bird of paradise. And also we have our ZZ plant. So that'll be it in here. So we just have our three. And like I said, I have the beautiful snake plant here. And what else is it? I moved this one. Because it wasn't getting any light. So I switched it out. I put the Monstera Swiss cheese here. And then I moved my fiddly fig here because, as you guys know, she has new leaves and she was doing well. So yeah, and then my what is this called? This is the Ansonii. Yeah, I put her here. See how she's going to do here. And I still have these two. So I'm just narrowing down my plants. I just wanted to let you guys know that. So instead of me having 30 plants, because I had 30 plants or 32, I want to get down to maybe 10 plants and that's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was not much, but super chill, super low key. Y'all, it's a vibe in here, and I'm just enjoying my peace and my vibe in here. I really am. And I give all that to Christ, the Lord above, for my peace and my vibe and my spirit and everything. But guys, I did wash the I did take the chair pads off because I was able to unzip them. That's what I meant yesterday, unzip them. So these got a fresh, clean. Look how clean. Look how clean. So yeah, that's how that looks. And like I said, it's a whole vibe and I'm enjoying it. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Please remember, love yourself so that you be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. All right. I love you guys. Until next time. Peace and love, y'all. I'll see ya. Bye.